Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. My name is Abdullah M I Syed. Today I'm going to show you how I make silhouette portraits out of paper and my favorite material, rose petals. For this tutorial you will need Use a mobile phone to take a profile photo of your subject. You can get a printout of that profile. Make sure that the height of the profile is approximately 10 centimeter. If you don't have a printer, you can use either butter paper or tracing paper to trace the actual image of the phone. This will become our template for the rose petal portrait. Prepare the image for the cutout. Take out the excess white part from the image. You can come as close to the image as possible. Now define some of the areas of the image. I really like to exaggerate the eyelashes because it gives a lot of character and it helps in cutting process. Now place your image on top of the black card and secure it with tape. Carefully cut the portrait. A basic finished result will look something like that. Get fresh rose petals. I like using red roses. If you don't have roses, then use any other flower petals or even large leaves such as this money plant. In order to cut a portrait from a rose petal, it needs to be pressed first. Prepare this in advance. Cut the white base of the rose petal and then press it between pages of your notebook. Using the same technique that we just used to create this silhouette, I'm going to now create a portrait from a rose petal. Now place your template on top of the rose petal and then secure it with tape. To cut the portrait with scissors, sandwich the rose petal between two pieces of paper. Today I'm going to use the sharp blade and generally use only the tip of the blade to cut the portrait. But remember, think twice, cut once. Be confident and concentrate while you're cutting. So let's cut this portrait. Now carefully peel the paper part to reveal the portrait. Carefully remove the excess part and you will get this beautiful rose petal portrait. Once you are happy with the portrait, secure it with an acetate sheet. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Thank you for joining me.